Morning. Welcome back to mandj Fencing and Gates, aka the Gateman. The Gateman without the gate. The Gateman without the sign.
Yeah. It's not the same, is it?
Nah.
People don't recognise us when we're driving around.
We had so many beeps on the horn on waves, didn't we?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's not like that no more.
Nah. Do you have a look at the map?
Huh? I don't know. Oh yeah, it's great.
Did some shelving.
Oh yeah, marvellous.
We did some shelving there, look.
Yeah.
Keep all my bags. Bit of matting. Matting's from B&Q. Ever so cheap. 4 for 2. 4 for 1. And a bit of 16 mil.
Took your daylight.
Well, it was only me doing it. Yeah. You didn't help. She didn't help. She's a lady.
It's been too cold for me.
Yeah, and we got, have I guessed what else we got?
Yeah. Oh, let me show you. It's a bit chilly.
Yeah.
Da-da-da.
She's got a new little uniform.
The only trouble is,
Yeah.
quality isn't quite what it was on the last lot.
No, so we'll have to have a bit of a word with him, won't we?
People do cut corners.
Yeah, and it's not very nice, is it?
No, it's not. Anyway, it's a bit chilly just to have my t-shirt on, so
Yeah.
can't really see. See the collar, look. Look, see the collar.
Yeah. Where are we today?
Wilsford.
Wilsford, just outside Sleaford
Yeah.
and Lincoln. And we're just going to do a little bit of fencing just along there where them bikes are. Just about 3 panels. Anyway, do you want to get started, sweet princess?
Yeah, let's get cracking before it rains.
I know.
Before it gets dark.
Come on then. How are we doing? Right, so we dug 2 feet down. Put 4x4 post in. Leveled it, spilt level. We used amount of breath. 4x4 post. This is a 4x1.5 or 1 3/4 post. Okay. And we're going to put 6-foot featherboard. So remember, when you're doing only a small bit of fencing, just take your time. You've got to make sure your cement's dried before you put your featherboard. We've been here a few hours now, so we should be okay. But we just took our time. Don't rush. So that's a good advice, isn't that?
It is.
It is.
Time for Weetabix and your coffee.
Have I got breakfast?
Yeah.
Have I?
Yeah.
What have we got?
Weetabix
and
milk. There is
and
nothing
coffee.
else. Oh, there's coffee. Yeah. Although the water's probably cold now, it's freezing.
Yeah, we bought a flask. Not too good. But okay, we'll have to buy another one if it's no good. Let's look at my little beautiful little lady.
Yeah. I don't know why you want to look at me.
Well, the van's
I was
there.
say you're looking at the van, really, aren't you?
my beauty's there.
Oh, you're so spoiled.
Yeah, I like the size of it, don't you?
No, I can't get in and out of it after gymnastics.
Stand next to it.
I have to go.
Stand next to the back.
Yeah, I can do it.
Look at the size of it, look. But when we drove away, I didn't realise there was a couple of little things here.
Crumples, yeah.
So where did they come from? Because when we viewed the van, I went, isn't it?
It's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah.
We can't get any mats for it. For the front
Yeah, for the front seat. Yeah.
seats, the floor.
The floor, I mean. Okay, let's get going now. Let's do a bit more.
Yeah, 'cause I'm freezing now.
Okay. Another fine insulation by mandj Fencing and Gates. Moni, John.
Limited.
Limited. Right. Everything's level. When you're doing fencing, just take your time. The reason being is you've got to make sure your cement's dry. Make sure everything's level, because if you don't, it's going to look like this. Okay? So just make sure everything's nice and level and it looks beautiful. We started off close to the floor. to there, but there's a big dip. It's like a semicircle, and then it goes back up. So I didn't want to go down and then back up. It would look a bit silly. Don't you think?
It would.
It would.
It's best to look flush.
Yeah. So all I've done is I've just kept it nice and level. Okay. Kickboard. We don't have kickboards. We don't do kickboards. The reason being is because, Moni, when the kickboard is so close to your driveway, they do go rotten, and it doesn't look very nice. I never like kickboards. I never do kickboards. So yeah. Looks beautiful. What do you reckon?
Does look beautiful.
Yeah.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Lovely. Made such a difference, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Definitely. At least they've got a bit more privacy.
Yeah, because they've got a window there.
Yeah.
And that would have opened straight onto their next door neighbour.
Yeah.
So it's nicer. It's nicer for them. We all need privacy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Well done.
Well done. Morning. It's Wednesday the 4th, isn't it? We're in Boulderton, just outside Newark.
You're dribbling.
I just had a coffee.
Don't do that on your new uniform.
New uniform.
Yeah. Don't look very
It's a
new.
bit thinner though.
Oh, it's
I'm not happy with that. I'm
poor
going to see
quality,
the guy and
isn't
say,
it?
look, I've still got an old t-shirt. Well, why is this thinner than the last one? I'm paying the same. In fact, I'm paying more.
I know.
So anyway, I'm not here to moan. Anyway, so we're in Boulderton. We're doing a big gate. We're going to do 1.2 here. Big gate. We've got a big mobility scooter, so if you get through there. Okay. This is going to be fenced off for privacy, so it's all going to be nice and secure, and it's going to look beautiful. You tell why it's going to look beautiful and sexy? Because we're doing it.
Yeah.
Because we're sexy MFs.
What's MFs?
Mother.
Put your hat on properly. You look like you got shrubbery in it.
Where? I know, it's so cold this morning. Look at my
It is.
princess. Well, she's not a princess anymore. She's just a little...
Yeah, not been very well. So
You
I
was
look-
poorly last night.
Yeah.
You was very
What are you
poorly.
doing?
You got my jogging bottoms on.
I have. Keep warm over my leggings.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not very good.
You were sick last night.
I was, yeah.
Yeah, I was going to have some supper, but I couldn't have my bacon and eggs. No, I'm
Why would you
joking.
do that?
No, you was very poorly, weren't you?
Yeah.
I know.
I've had a rough week.
You have. You have. You've been poorly most of the week.
Yeah. Only got out of hospital on Sunday.
She went into hospital Sunday. She had an allergic reaction to something.
I know.
Her face swelled up, her eyes puffed out.
Still is a bit, isn't it?
Yeah,
Still looking for it,
your
don't I?
face was still red a little bit, red around your eyes and your nose. Yeah,
Don't know what they're going to do with me. I need a miracle, don't I?
I think you just want putting down.
I need Botox.
If you was a horse, you'd be shot.
Done for, wouldn't I?
Oh, we won't want that, will we? Put it in comments. Huh?
What? Whether I'm done for.
Yeah, you're not done for.
I know. Bit chilly.
It is. I can see your breath. Oh God, it's bad. Breath. It's not. It's not. I do like to have banter. I don't know if anybody's noticed, but I do like to have a little bit of banter.
I did have last night when I was sick.
Oh God, you should have seen her.
Heaving is horrible.
Oh,
isn't it? It always
oh,
feels
gee,
sick.
don't talk about it anymore. I want my dinner.
That's why I don't drink alcohol.
Oh, stop.
It's a horrible feeling being poorly, isn't it?
Oh,
Horrible.
stop. Don't. No more. Oh, yeah, you was. Oh, I don't
Anyway.
think about it. I want my dinner.
I've got my pink top on, look.
Yeah,
Protecting it.
you protecting it.
Protecting it.
Yeah.
Don't want it mucky. Like my pink boots.
I'm very proud. I think I cut that bit out. All I could see was grey hair.
No, you could not.
You bent down. I'm joking. It's banter. I'm
I'm having
banter.
it done next week.
I know you are. It's
Yeah.
only banter,
Mind
babe.
you, it's finding an hairdresser that's decent now, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've had a few and they're not very good, are they?
No,
So if you're a
not.
hairdresser, give me a call because I want my hair doing properly and nicely. I'm sick of paying, what, over £100 and I still look the same.
Oh dear. No. No. But we've achieved so much this year, haven't we? We have, haven't we?
We have.
We've
We've
achieved.
worked really hard.
Yeah.
We have worked really hard. We're constantly
Yeah,
busy.
yeah. I don't know if anybody's noticed, but look at the state of my knuckles, look.
I know, poor you, isn't it?
This is what happens when you're doing fencing and yesterday I cut my thumb open. I can't say my chin's going numb now. So yeah.
I know, my hands are mucky, look.
Where?
I do work. Look.
Where?
There's a bit of blood there, look.
Is there? She's got little fingers.
Yeah, look how mucky they are. Huh?
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Look, there she goes. There she goes.
Anyway, should we get on with somewhere?
Yeah,
Before it rains or gets dark. It gets dark at 4 now.
yeah.
Come on then.
Don't get going. Okay then, let's get going.
Let's get cracking.
Well done, girl. Proud of you. I'm proud of you. You worked so hard this year with me. No, I'm very proud. No, there's not many women would do what you do.
What
There isn't.
were you or
Well,
the
that
job?
as well as the job. So you know, I think, guys, we should be proud of her. She does work really hard, don't you?
We've just got to keep trying, haven't we?
Yeah.
Trouble is, sometimes you feel like you're on a little hamster wheel, and the harder you try, harder you get.
Just show me the hand movement again.
On a hamster wheel, this is my hamster wheel.
Is it?
So every time we get up there, we get down here again, and then I'm doing this, and then I'm doing that.
Yeah, but that's the nature of the business. That's the nature of being self-employed and
It's hard, isn't it?
and running a little
Someone
company.
give us a break, isn't it?
Well, we have breaks every week, Moni. They don't say, well, we don't, but I'm very positive. I've got a very positive outlook, haven't I?
Yeah, you have. Too positive.
I think if you don't have a positive outlook when you're working for yourself, I think you're going to be...
I'm positive. I just
Jesus
just
Christ.
like to talk about my complaints as well.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
But it's good because women like to get off their chest.
I'm human. Who else am I going to talk to?
Exactly.
Yeah? I've got a bunch of ladies in the reception area going, la 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 la. I have only got you.
I know. And God, don't I know it. Don't I know it, little lady.
Yeah, right. Come on then, let's get on before.
Okay. Come on.
Come on then.
So, we've dug 2 feet down, 4x4 post. It's roughly 4x2 battens, which are really heavy and strong. Dug 2 feet down on that one. Okay. And now all we're going to do is featherball this. Remember, like I said yesterday, because we're only doing 2, you can't rush. You've got to wait for these to cement. So we've had a long break. Okay. This is now solid. Okay. Or solid as it will be. Yeah. And now when we do this, and then when we go, we know this is going to be okay. But before we go, we always check it just to make sure that's beautiful. On the other side, that's beautiful. So it's all good. It's beautiful and sexy, just like you.
Charmer. What gun you using?
Right, so what gun we're using?
Gun. Yeah.
Right, so this is called, can you see that? Okay, so this is a heavy duty. This is a beast. In the UK, they're about £300, 270, £300, but it's worth it. It will last you a long time. Stanley compressor, about £150, roughly. But you need a good lead, a good air hose, but it's got to be nice and thick, because when you run it along the floor, if you get a splinter in there, so you need a good thick hose. It's Friday today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Digging 2 feet down for a drive radiator along here. It's around 2 feet. Might take a little bit more off the back there, but yeah, that's about 2 feet down from.
No gold?
No gold, silver, necklaces, rings, nothing. We never find anything, do we?
I know, it's awful, isn't it?
Well, we found an old Pepsi bottle. That was it, really.
I know.
So it's Friday. We're in Caythorpe, just outside Newark, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
We've got 1 post to dig down there, 1 post to dig here. Measure, it's a big one.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. But it'll look nice once it's done. The ground is going up slightly, so I have to be a bit careful on this side.
Yeah, nothing's level.
Nah. Can you hear puppy dogs?
Yeah, I can hear them talking to you.
So yeah, it's just one of them. I just want to rest for a second because I'm a bit cream crackered.
I made you a nice coffee.
Did you?
Yeah.
This is a good girl, isn't she?
Yeah. Go and have a look. Show you.
This is in the van, guys. It's very posh inside. It's got it's got everything what we need. And what's that one?
This is a caramel coffee.
Is it?
Yeah, it's these little sachets.
Right, yeah. Oh.
A Nescafe.
Yeah.
Sachets.
Turn around the other way so you can see the Nescafe. Yeah.
Well, we're not sponsored by them, so we shouldn't really advertise them.
Well, it doesn't
This
matter.
is quite nice. It's
Yeah.
creamy.
So what we do is we get a flask now, don't we?
Yeah.
Because it is getting a bit too cold.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
People don't look after us, do they?
Well,
Cheers.
hey, look, you're drinking my coffee.
It's a bit hot there, my
Is it? Don't drink it then. No. Leave it on the one side then. Let it cool down.
I like these.
Yeah.
They're nice. Yeah,
So, yeah.
spoiled.
Do you think?
Yeah.
So yeah. So that's what we're doing down here. Oh,
Put the thermals on.
need to. It's cold now, isn't it?
I know.
Bloody freezing. Right, I've got to get digging. What are you gonna do?
Well, actually,
What you got?
just found one of these.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, guys and girls, if you like one of them, give us a shout.
Oh, I like diamond bars, do you?
Yeah. What else do you got? What else you
lot.
got? What else you got in there? What's that other chocolate bar?
Lime
Show me.
bar.
Yeah,
Lime bar.
it's okay. Show me.
Yeah, well, you see, the trouble is,
Right.
it's so physical work.
Oh,
We need a bit of sugar.
it's not that. They're so tiny.
I know. You need two, don't you?
Yeah, well, you do.
I know. Cadbury's, what are you doing? Oh no, these are Nestle, aren't they?
I don't know.
Yeah, Nestle. Come on. Well, and Cadbury's. Cadbury's is bad. They've all shrunk in size.
Yeah.
And thickness. They're like
Yeah. So tiny.
shocking.
Yeah.
Shocking. Yeah. At least with our work, you get what you pay for, don't you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, should get some digging done.
Go on then.
Okay.
When you're ready.
Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers, everybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
Daft bugger. Right, that's that week over and done with. So, just like to say, thank you so much for watching us. Please, if you can, like, subscribe, and all that palaver. Just got to pick up a bit more wood, haven't we? And then we're going to go back home. So, that week's over and done with. Hope everybody has a good weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah.